Spirit Tower, information Papa. Wind 040 at 7, visibility 10. Cloud scatters at 5,000, temperature 21.
King Air 599 Bravo Golf traffic, Mooney on 2 mile final, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, cleared for takeoff on departure, turn left heading 210.
Takeoff Alpha 2, 26 left, left turn to 160, I believe you said?
210.
10 for 599 Bravo Golf. Thank you, sir.
King Air 599 Bravo Golf, King Air 599 Bravo Golf, contact St. Louis departure, good day.
Departure C and 9 Bravo.
Tower, Mooney 5632 Yankee, establish RNAV 26 left.
Mooney 5632 Yankee, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind is calm, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Mooney 5632 Yankee.
Mooney 32 Yankee, contact ground point 7.
We're up point 7.
Tower Beechjet 997 Mike X-ray is with you on the visual 26 left.
Jet 997 Mike X-ray, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 7 Mike X-ray.
Beechjet 7 Mike X-ray, right turn Alpha 9er, contact ground point 7. Have a good day.
Alright, turn here, going ground, thanks, 7 Mike X-ray.
Malibu 118 Delta Mike, wind variable at 3, fly runway heading for now, runway 26 left, full length, cleared for takeoff.
Heading clear for takeoff, 26 left, full length, 118 Delta Mike.
Malibu 8 Delta Mike, just maintain that runway heading, contact St. Louis departure 126.5. Have a good day. 0.5, good day.
Centurion 100 Golf Kilo, ready to go, Alpha 2, heading 170 on course.
Centurion 100 Golf Kilo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, cleared for takeoff. Proceed on course, or can you turn left southwestbound and I'll call your turn to the south?
Golf Kilo, ready.
Centurion 0 Golf Kilo, Roger, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, cleared for takeoff, traffic 2 mile final, Bonanza.
From Alpha 2, 0 Golf Kilo.
Bonanza 5535 Whiskey Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land. And the 35 Whiskey right turn, your discretion, contact ground point 7, have a good day.
Good afternoon, Rockfish 6683, visual 26 left.
Fish 6683, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind variable at 4, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, 6683.
Tower 705, Bravo, Bravo. Visual 26 left and 170 knots until 5 mile final.
Hawker 705, Bravo, Bravo, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind variable at 3, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 705, Bravo, Bravo. Tower confirmed, 705, Bravo, Bravo, clear to land.
Bravo, Bravo, affirmative, runway 26 left, clear to land.
And thanks, 5, Bravo, Bravo.
Bravo, Bravo, turn right when able and contact ground point 7.
Right when able and ground point 7, 705, Bravo, Bravo.
Flush at 526, Spirit Tower. Get you going here momentarily. You're going to be our last departure off runway 26 left. And 526, we've got that release now. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear to takeoff.
Heading runway 26 left, clear to takeoff. Flush at 526.
At 526, contact St. Louis departure.
Sir, have a good day. Flush at 526.
7244 is ready, right?
7244, Spirit Tower, Roger, awaiting your IFR release. 44, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Plane heading 150, clear for takeoff, 8 right, Rocket 7244.
We're 7244 contact, St. Louis departure.
Hey, seen a bit, 7244.
Alright, Flexjet 479, with you visual 8 right.
479 Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right, Flexjet 479.
At 479, left turn at Alpha 5 Fable and straighten signature with me.
Alpha 5, and we're actually going over there to Flexjet maintenance, still flying cloud.
Roger, Flex straight. In that case, just contact ground point 7. They'll take your rest away or to flying colors. 5632 Yankee. Spirit Tower, turn left heading 310, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Heading 310, 8 right, clear for takeoff. Mooney 5632 Yankee.
Yankee, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, good day, 3Z Yankee.
0 Mike Charlie, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right, 930 Mike Charlie.
Zero Mike Charlie, stay parking.
Clean air.
0 Mike Charlie, roger, left turn at the reverse high speed of Fable and taxi Millionaire via Alpha with me.
Get the reverse and Alpha with you to Millionaire, 930 Mike Charlie.
Cessna 13259er, Spirit Tower. Turn left and fly due northbound for now, heading 360, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff. I'll call you on course.
Clear for takeoff, then 360, and you'll call it for me from there, 13259.